Here are 5 reasons, the big reasons, why LinkedIn is not working for you. Everybody blames the algorithm. Everybody blames LinkedIn. And most people don't take accountability or responsibility for why it's not working for them. These 5 reasons could very well be relevant to you if LinkedIn's not working for you. And by the way, if you like what I'm sharing here, do me a favor. Drop a comment on the video. Hit the like button. Maybe even subscribe to my content because I got a lot more out there that may be useful for you. Here's number 1. Your LinkedIn profile is lackluster at best. You got to get focused. You got to use all of the relevant sections of your LinkedIn profile to tell your story, relevant to who you are, what you do, and or what you want to do. Don't tell everything. Only focus on what's relevant, what shows professional growth. Again, focus on what it is that you want to do or what you are doing. Number 2. Your LinkedIn network is a hodgepodge of people that you don't know and they don't know you. It's just a big old pile of digital connections. Get focused. Connect with people you know to begin with. And then look for ways to get introduced to the people that you want to know, you want to connect with, you want to have a conversation with. Invest time to engage with the right people you connect with along the way. Show your LinkedIn network that you care. Then they'll be willing to help you. Number 3, you're not showing up. You're just not there. You got to get focused on doing the right things. You got to engage on relevant content. Engage on content from the important connections. And get into conversations, real conversations, by using at least 10 words in a comment or a reply regarding that content, regarding the person who posted, or regarding the person who commented on it. Not about you, not about your business. Don't try to pitch or sell on LinkedIn. That's horrible. Be willing to give away your expertise through LinkedIn engagement. That's how you build trust and respect and like. Number 4, you're not paying serious attention. PSA, pay serious attention. Stay aware of those who are important to you and what's happening in their lives, their businesses, their careers. Did an important contact get a new job? Did an important company make a shift or hire someone new that you may need to know? Has an important contact just showed up on LinkedIn? Somebody you've always been wanting to get in touch with, and maybe you have a way to get introduced to them. Pay serious attention. Social listening is vital for success using LinkedIn. And number 5, you're just plain boring. LinkedIn's not a dumping ground for your company content, for you to post it on the company page and repost it on your personal profile, repost of your thought. Nobody wants that. Your target audience does not want you throwing up all over them with your content. That is absolutely rude. No one cares what you had to say until they discover that you care about them. Be real. Be the real you. Don't just be an agent of your company when you're sharing content. Be yourself. Bring yourself to the table. Bring yourself to the conversations, and where relevant and appropriate, somebody may ask about your company. And don't make every conversation happen on LinkedIn. Strive to make these real human conversations happen in person, by a Zoom call or a telephone call or a text messaging or email, whatever. Your goal is to pull the right people into the right conversations in a way that they want to be a part of it. It's not going to happen on LinkedIn. If it's not working, you need to fix it. You need to not go into 2025 with the same worthless, useless tactics that are not creating value. All they're creating is an opportunity for you to complain and for you to blame it on everything else, including the algorithms. Evaluate your goals, evaluate your tactics, evaluate your process. Adopt new ideas and best practices that you learn from others. Do something different. Measure what happened. Evaluate how it worked and how you could adjust. Redo it and then do it again and do it better. Happy holidays to everyone. I'm Teddy. Hope this is helpful. Hope you got a little bit out of this, and hope you're willing to make a little bit of change so you can get more out of LinkedIn and not go into 2025 complaining.